Hi, my name is Mangi Wilson, and I've really been thinking about AKUC, generally about everything that has to do with AKUC. When Omontarambor, AKUC Ngentoki. AKUC, look at this. Ekena KKUC, Kiabagusi, Abarabantu, Kwan AKUC. So, in that sentence, we make AKUC Marambili, and each of them have different meanings. Ateva, Ekena KKUC, Kiabagusi, Abarabantu, Kwan Nomunu, AKUC. Ekena KKUC means this is the culture ekenakeke usikia abagusi of the abagusi abari abantu bakwana umuntu w'ekegusi were the people who speak ekegusi. So in such a sense is that ekegusi is not just a language, it is the culture of the abagusi. And so I've been thinking, what do we have to do to make sure that we are all speaking ekegusi and we're all on the same page in making sure that we do not forget our grassroots. Yeah. Well, it is of up importance for us to know where we exactly came from. And that is why we have this. We'll be spending time trying to understand even though how igoro yomunwa see. My name is Mangi and this is Culture Bank, which now in Ekigusi will be called Keganja Yekegusi. But more properly, this is the school of Ekigusi with this guy, Mangi. Now, like anything else, when you want to learn a new language, the first few things you have to learn are the common greetings in that language. So, in this episode, we're going to be learning common greetings in AKUC. Coming right out. All right. Aseke usintoboate chinkwana. Okay, chinkwana is more like having the whatever. So I'll use something like so mambia is the morning. Mambia is the morning. So in the morning, we're looking at greetings in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening, probably in the night. And there's some that cut across, like Mbuyore, how are you? That cuts across. And then there is Antawami Tunabakwaniri. Mbuyamono, Nabakwaniri, Mbuyamono. So there are those that cut across and there are those that are specific for the morning. Tongo cha sene maambia kwani nga ai wairire Islamia jioni. So let us start. In the morning towate Wakire is morning, and you answer back Wakire buya. Then Wakire buya, good morning. Mbuya Wakire or something else or mbuya mono. Mwabokire mmeamka. Twabokire buya bose ya mbone gankonya koru gitanda bado nimbwate ebitoti nebinge mono. Mwenzi mbuya mure. So something like that. Hiyo ina cut across. Na bogota asubuhi naambia upate watu kadhaa. Mwenzi is watu kadhaa. Utusalimie mwenzi mbuya mure. So and we'll answer back mbuya tore or some like answering back mbuya mono. Oh no. Mbuyore. How are you? Mbuyande. I'm fine. Mbuyamore. Mnaendelea aje? Like Mbuyamore is wengi. Mbuyatore. Mbuyavare. So Mbuyavare is asking about other people. So for instance, you meet me walking on the road and you know my dad or my parents and then you ask me, I am Mangi. Aba iburi vao Mbuyavare. I'll answer back. Tata na baba. Mbuyavare will say, yeah. Ndero towaira nyagitari. Go no. We hope for the best. Again, the winning. Ose ndero bakora kwana ninga say no yaba mwamangi mbwakia. So like kwenu kulikucha hata mbu yabwakia. Now in the afternoon there is no really specific greeting ya mchana juu probably umulize umubaso mbuyore umubaso nakiovere like umubaso mbuyore like how is your afternoon? How's your afternoon been? That's for the afternoon, but generally in the morning and the evening there's very so pronounced. So in the evening, wagorobire. Evening. Wagorobire buya. Good evening. Mwararire. Sasa imeingia sa masaa ya usiku. Mbono tokorara gose mbono tokoragera is ndo tunakula saa hii gose mbono tokorara ndo tunaingia kulala gose mbono kwa sababu gitanda ni sio borangire. Mazoire gitanda. Okay. I think that's the reason that's tunafaa kuuliza. There's no way I can call someone who's not anything tumeenda muuliza ati waswahili kitana kwani ningepokana naye kufanya nini na abakwani rimwe simbu ya muri and then Biatore. No, I know that the guys who just want to tell a lady in AKUC good night. Hi, good night. And so to say that tuko obuya, like good night. Obotuko is night, obuya is good. So obotuko obuya, good night. Ora arebuya, sweet dreams. Okay, sweet dreams is more like chitoro chinyanzu. Iko tuke kwanza, ogwanza is tamu. Alafu kwa level zako kwanza kuna obotunonta ni like tukiko tunonta like ni kama kukula ndizi chemsha na ndizi imekaangwa like unasikia ni kama umekabishwa mbinguni. Okay. No, this one works in church itakuonyesha watu ni pro. Abana begando ya igoro. Abanene asabake. Abagotu asabana. Nabakwani rimwenzi pi. Mbiyamore. Mbiyamono. Abantu bana abakwani rimwenzi pi mbiyamore. Mbiyatore. Abantu baminto mbiyamore. Mbiyatore. Omwanchione. Ego si moyo kiani. Wabokire buya. Okay, I think the last one I tumika kwa kanisa kagera mwantio ngakyo chiko mugoreri kanisa ngaho sinabo kabuye. I think kwa Kimasai kuna kwanga ero sobabogi. Wanajibu wote eba. This is very nice. No. Kwa kanisa mingi za Kisii napatanga Saturday. It is so nice. No, in Nairobi tumezoea this is the day that the Lord has made, We will rejoice and be glad in it, Na 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 na. Ama happy Sabbath, dear friend, here ho. Happy Sabbath, dear friend, here ho. The big smile here, the big smile there, big smile, everybody big smile here ho. Oh, Kisii is different. Parang ele nasoma anauliza onenaro ase bari bataringe igaseka ese sabateri etete utagete gotokwani mtu anainua mkono morise nimbo atengana then anasimama na kuja uko mbele anaanza abantu nabakwani mwenzi pimbi yamore mbumbu yatore esabato yetete esabato yetete nigona chitase kanisa yabigobo bakabakwani mwakwani kirembe yamono ande igona nyore mumuro minto koro kuchemse ndagata yabimba kwani amayiga ayo nande sabato mayiga yeyo kagenda gokwani magukoro ndagante yabimba kwani amayiga ayo nane ndaracha na kwani tis professor Samongeri ndagante kingocha goche kanisa ende nchemba tebinga tarabe bana abakwandi mwenspi biyamure na naende boyigo omujumbe oyeto machogunera n'abakwandi biyamure biyamano nande boyigo nachete kingoeta para se chire mungina gitagante binga enje gerongo cha kugende kanisa ndebi ababwatani bonse be kanisa yeto na abakwandi abantu baminto be kanisa ya chindo chibere na abakwandi mwensi biyamure biyamona anazunguka and then in the end nayo kwambia nabona bwate nche nabwate amangana amangi nabwate amangana makigo na tumaini nimbato okwege nanga mwensi mwa nyora maigayo igo kingo cha kugenda kubanyora inkingo bairera na nimwa matebi ayo amaiga ayo no unajua kwa vitu nimesema kwa wenye float kila kitu it's okay we've got time for someone to understand a word or two or several phrases checking see now abo kwani abantu ega abantu bamintu abanene asabake abatambe asabenge bari barabere ase bari barencha bari bakoragera buya ase bari bakorisi abanuru asaba nyerere abamuamu ase bari chocolate ase bari abarabu abakwandi mwensi biyamure biyamono eritariane mangi nande kina kiti gacho yeke usi asa matukago chantabe to soma mangana ao igoro yeke usi kyomu usi ubona to gendande yabeire episode itintangani etinde nchiche igo gentora akore bari bagotorira korwase IGTV just follow through na wego kurigire rikerege into bari bagocha korwase YouTube subscribe na ndeka gendera gotebya basani bayinonga muntu nara ogotema gosomia abantu ekegusii buna nateba ogotema chetinde omworo kia bwekegusii ande chetinde omonto omogoto ekegusii moroche ntebane nche nomosae ekegusii manyete negeke korende keri manyete na keri omonto arantebi nakio ngochi koba nikwateba monsi mbia mono ase ogoturigeria rero tororane in the next episode retoriane mangi and this has been Culture Bar. Bye bye.